Hello gorgeous people! I hope everyone is keeping safe. Having said that, today I will share with you my healthy recipe of KANI Salad with mango. I will write the full ingredients on the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now we will start by peeling the carrots. Depending on the size of the carrots, divide it equally, but I will suggest to make per portion at least 2 to 3 inches long. Then slice it as thin as possible because we are making a julienne cut. Julienne cut or French cut is a term used in cutting a food, mostly carrots, cucumbers, celeries, or potatoes. It means to cut it into long, thin strips. Just be extra careful in doing this cut. I also use one more way to make a julienne cut, which is with the help of the peeler. This method will give you a good result. It's as good as using a julienne cutter. Alam nyo, meron akong vegetable cutter na isang set. Pwede dong pang dice, pang julienne, pang shred. Pero for some reason, hindi ko siya ginagamit. Binili ko lang siya kasi nakakaaliw, pero never ko pa siyang nagamit. I think it's about time. I love eating salads, kaya lang talagang napaka-time consuming kasi ng preparation niya. Kaya, alam mo yun, minsan tinatamad ka na lang imbes na makakain ka ng healthy, kaso nakakatamad. So, yun. I think ito na nga talaga yung time para i-unbox siya at gamitin. Now, we will do the same method as what we did with the carrots with our cucumber. But this time, we have to remove the seeds of it. The reason why we are removing the seeds because it produces water and we don't want our salad to be soggy. Kaya, we need to remove it. Now for the mango, we just need to slice both sides and then we will cut it not into strips. Ayaw naman natin na lahat na lang naka-strips, diba? Ayan, sige te, ipinit mo. Masyado ko kasing sinagad guys. Sayang ang laman, diba? So umabot ako hanggang sa buto. So now, I will slice it into lengthwise and then later crosswise naman para maging cubes. And then, scoop na lang natin siya. So, ayan. Alam nyo, sobrang miss ko na talaga yung Philippine mango. Isa yan sa sobrang pinagmamalaki kong fruit natin talaga. Iba talaga yung tamis niya. And wala pa akong natikman na ripe mango from other countries na kasing sarap ng sa atin. Iba talaga. Kakamiss! And unfortunately, hindi siya ganun ka-available dito sa Dubai. Kaya, ibang mango yung ginagamit namin dito. Now for the crab sticks. Ang crab sticks guys, hindi yan totoong crabs. So yung mga may allergy sa crabs or yung mga hindi pwede sa crabs, pwedeng-pwede nyo yan kainin. Kaya nga, ang tawag din dyan is imitation crab. Kasi nga, made of pulverized fish siya and some corn flour, I think. Kung hindi corn flour, cornstarch na may flavor lang. We just need to shred the crab sticks. I used 1 full pack of crab sticks kasi nga KANI salad ang ginagawa ko. So, KANI means crab sticks or crab. So, bonggahan natin yung dami ng crab sticks, diba? If not, edi sana ibang salad na lang ginawa ko, diba? Charot! So, enjoyan na lang natin yung process. It will take a while, but worthy naman lahat ng hirap ng pagkakat natin ng vegetable. I think 1 pack of the crab sticks is about 14 pieces. If not 14, mga 16 pieces. So, ganun siya kadami. But don't worry, kung feeling nyo okay na sa dami, itabi nyo lang and you can add that shredded crab sticks sa soups nyo. O, diba? The whole process just seems so complicated, but it's so simple. And I really hope you can try this recipe. Now we move on to the dressing. Ingredients are sesame oil, rice vinegar, salt and pepper, lemon juice, sugar, sesame seed, Japanese mayo or Kewpie, and Sriracha. I added Sriracha because mahilig ako sa spicy, but if you don't want spicy, you can totally disregard the Sriracha. On a mixing plate, put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Kewpie or Japanese mayo and a teaspoon of Sriracha. Actually, it depends talaga mamaya. Syempre, you have to taste it. So, accordingly, you add or i-lessen natin or adjust according to your taste. Then, I squeezed a fresh lemon. It's about a teaspoon or 2. And a teaspoon of rice vinegar. I also added a teaspoon of sesame oil. And salt and pepper to taste. Basically, just mix all the ingredients. It's better to start in small amounts and then adjust mo na lang later kasi mas mahirap pag masyado nang matapang yung flavor or yung lasa and then gusto mong i-lessen, mas mahirap na siyang i-adjust. Rather than you start with small amount and then go big. Charot. So, ayun na nga. And also, it depends on how much salads you have. So, in my case, I think nag-start ako ng almost 1 teaspoon lang sa lahat. Apart from the Kewpie and the rest, almost 1 teaspoon lang. And then, nag-adjust na lang ako. So, mix well until ma-incorporate na lahat yung ingredients natin. Now, it's time for us to make the salad. So, in my case, layering kasi yung ginagawa ko para lahat ng vegetable, para evenly incorporated siya. So, vegetables muna, and then itatap ko siya nung dressing, and then imimix ko, and then yung konting tirang dressing, yun yung iibabaw ko ulit, and then imimix ulit. Anong favorite salad nyo? Please comment down below, okay? Para baka pwedeng matry ko rin gawin. So, ayan na. Mix, mix, mix. And then, kapag okay na, incorporated na lahat, now we will trim some nori. You can use a plain nori, but in my case, again, I used flavored nori, which is spicy barbecue. And it will lift some flavor or lift some flavor. Lift talaga. Anyway, it will add additional flavor. Ayun. So, yung lettuce, kinuha ko lang siya parang lettuce wrap, ganun. Pero, yun, I just added lettuce at the bottom of the plate or salad bowl. And then, ilalagay lang natin yung salad, and depende kung sa kakain if they want to add more dressing, but actually pwedeng hindi na, but kung mahilig nga si dressing, now, ayan, pwede na sila magdagdag ng dressing. Ang kulit ko. Anyway, so tatanungin nyo, nasan po yung mango? So ito na nga, idadagdag na natin yung mango sa plating. Ayan. So, pagkadagdag ng mango, scatter lang natin siya. Just the normal. Hindi naman siya kailangan talagang malagyan ng dressing kanina nung minimix. And kapag hinalo kasi natin siya while mixing the vegetables and the dressing, baka mahulas ang mango. So, toppings natin siya. So, there. You now have a very healthy and delicious homemade KANI salad. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and share to your relatives and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new recipe. Always remember guys, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!